Today's show, we are going to start with my famous rant. Okay, we call it the opening rant, and I'm just going to freestyle it. And I want to talk today about something that is really upsetting, while at the same time has been frustrating for many people who have been trying to make money on the internet. You know, we call it. Most people come on the internet hoping to make serious money overnight. I am not exempted. Everybody, practically, the way the internet marketing business has been sold is that you come in there and you can become a virtual millionaire the next day. But it doesn't happen that way. Everybody ultimately figures it out. I have a special guest today that will be talking a little bit about that. But what really pisses me off right now is that everywhere I turn, you see these trolls, you see this what I call losers, so to speak. They go to gurus' pages and they accuse them. They talk on their pages. They claim that this guru scammed me, that guru scammed me. I've been scammed for years. I bought all these products and I didn't make any money. And I'm going to tell you right now, you need to stop. You are not a baby. There are no babies in internet marketing. There is no crying in internet marketing. Everybody who is buying stuff online, you are presumed to be an adult, which means you are over 18 or over 21 before you can have a credit card to buy. So it is your responsibility to make sure before you buy, you check out your guru very well to make sure the man can really deliver on what he's promising. Internet is a truth teller right now. You Google somebody's name, you get a fair idea what kind of person that person is. And then when you buy, it is your responsibility to actually take action on what you have learned. Okay? Many of us, we buy this stuff. Many of us, we buy stuff and we don't read. We don't take action. Most of these products that you buy, they are not magic bullets. When you buy somebody's product on how to sell on Amazon, it means you have to watch the videos. It means you have to try to execute the strategies this person has put in his product. But what I found out, and I know this for a fact because I was like that for the first couple of years that I was online, is people just love buying products. And they assume just by buying that product, they're going to be rich. Maybe you go to an Owolabi's page, the man is talking about Forex. He himself has made hundreds of millions in Forex. He knows what he's doing. He sells you a product. You buy the product, you lock it up on your computer. And then 6 months later, you see the man selling the same product. Then you start saying this is a scam because you didn't make any money. You never watch the product. You never put any money on the line. You never try to execute any of the strategies. And then you claim you are being scammed. You are a damn fool. There is no scamming. You are only scammed when you allow yourself to be scammed. I'm talking about people who buy products now. I'm not talking about when you send money and then products are not sent, or you send money, somebody didn't send you what they said they are going to sell. I'm talking about when you buy a product that will teach you how to make money online. 99.9% of the time, you are not scammed, because even the worst training products have something in there if you try to execute. I used to be like that. I just kept buying. I kept buying. The first 6 months of my life on the internet, believe it or not, I spent over $100,000 because I had a lot of money to spend. As a lawyer, I was just taking money from my law firm and just buying all sorts of stuff. But I did not use 95% of them. I wish I can show you my access area on JVZoo. You will see over 300 to 400 products that I bought in the span of 6 months. But most of them, maybe I download and then I watch one video. Then it's off to the next one, because I had this thing called shiny penny syndrome, where you are always trying to buy, thinking the more you buy, the richer you're going to be. And most of us are like that. So you need to wake up. You need to stop feeling sorry for yourself, because nobody's going to feel sorry for you. That guru is still going to go and sell to the next guy. You can complain all you want. He's going to make his money. He's making his money. So you need to take care of number one, which means, number one, you need to stop buying every little damn thing that you see. Number two, the one you do buy, you want to try to execute it. At least try. If there are 20 videos in a product that you bought, watch all 20 one time, watch it a second time, then a third time, try to implement. If you're having problem with implementation and you contact these gurus, 90% of them will respond to you. I love people who are trying to take action on my products, who now contact me saying, oh, I try to set up my squeeze page. This is the problem I'm having. That will tell me that person has watched my video. That will tell me so that person is trying to execute. Those type of people, I could spend a whole day with you for free. But don't come to me and tell me you bought Confessions of a Guru wannabe last year and you are still a wannabe this year. You're going to be a wannabe forever if you don't take action. In that book, I give you what you need to execute. So I don't want to hear it. I'm sick and tired of rookies, losers, guys who are not making money, making it the fault of the guru. The guru is a salesperson. His job is to sell. Your job is to do due diligence before you buy. And when you buy, your responsibility is to execute what you have bought. And if it's not working for you, don't be an idiot. You can cancel it within 30 days. Most products that are sold, they give you 30 days money back guarantee. Now, you don't cancel in 30 days. You don't watch the products. You don't do shit. Then 1 year down the road, you say somebody is a scammer. No, you are the scammer because you want to get rich without doing the work. That's really what it is. You want to buy a product, then you want to go to your bank the next day to see millions of dollars in there. Well, I got news for you. It's never going to happen. So you need to wake up and you need to smell the coffee and stop giving those guys who do great work, putting products together, selling to you. Stop embarrassing them on Facebook. Stop embarrassing them on YouTube. Stop blaming them for your failure. Because if you have bought 4 or 5 different products on internet marketing and you are still not making a dime, it's on you. It's not on your guru. Because your guru is not going to come to your house and put your hand to go create your squeeze page or to go advertise for your first leads or to go do whatever it is they say you should do. It's on you. And the sooner you understand that you're not making it is your responsibility, the sooner you're going to get out of this poverty line. I'm tired of it. Get serious. Take this game to the next level. I don't know of any other thing where it is faster for you to be successful than internet marketing, and I'm being frank with you. If you go to university, you spend 5 years to get a university degree that will not give you any money. If you take the same seriousness you used to go to your college to do digital marketing for 6 months, it is almost impossible for you not to succeed. So why many are not doing it, I don't know. Don't be like me, my first couple of years where all I do is buy products, start executing. The more massive action you take, the more success you get. You're not going to succeed without massive action. That's it. That's my rant for today.